Hey everybody, welcome to Theme Park Today. It's Kurt. I'm here at Pride Night at Disneyland, and we are in front of Star Traders in Tomorrowland. Let's go check out the merch. It's like the little merch exclusive booth thing, room thing right here. It is before the event. The event doesn't start until 9 p.m. It is 6:44. So none of the merch is out throughout the park. It's only here. I think they have a couple more stuff, so this might be a little bit of a longer video, but let's check out most of the merch that they have for Pride Night at Disneyland this year. So right off the bat, I think this is literally all the merch that they have, but it's so nice in here because it's air conditioned. Okay, so we have this fun little sweater. I saw this design online because this is the second night that Pride Night is happening. It reminds me of Epcot, not Pride. I don't know why. It just reminds me that something of Epcot would be here. Anyways, there's a sweater. There's a nice little Disney After Dark. Oh, sorry. Disney After Dark. Little emblem on the sleeve. There is a zipper bag, belt bag. That's cute. I like the rainbow little zipper things. I just don't love that. And then over here, there's a magnet, an exclusive pin, and a tumbler. Oh, there's also a magnet back there. I said it was a magnet? I meant ornament. Oh my god, I don't even know what I said. They have ears, which are kind of cute. And then there's also this red shirt. I think this is a Spirit jersey. Oh, well, we can't see what that is. Okay, it's like such a small thing, but it's so, the care and effort that goes in by the cast members to make this night special is insane. Like just using different colored tape to mark the queue. Like, that's so cool. So while we wait in line, I will say that all of this merch will be at the Emporium starting at 9 o'clock. So you do not have to come to Star Traders to get the merch. But if you want to get out of the way, they have mostly everything. I just don't see the jersey that they have. But they also have two artists who are drawing fun characters. Like this one's making Rainbow Stitch. How cute. While we're waiting, we were handed this like little laminated menu of like all the merchandise that's up here. So while you wait in line, you can see the sizes and the prices and everything that they have at this little pop-up here. Okay, so this is basically everything that we saw over on the mannequins. But Peter pointed out that it says Pride. Oh, you can't see it. Pride. Look at that. That's actually really cute. I don't think that says anything, but I like that. It also has the emblem on the side. And they have all of the sizes. Wow, nice. Oh, price. Well, you kind of already saw it, but the shirt is $34.99. And then over here we have the ears. Now you can get these ears all over the park. They've had these out for a while. But the Pride Collection ears, I want to say that these are $36. Refer to that sheet that I just showed you. Here's our belt bag. The belt bag is $35.99, $34.99. Has like a little Mickey embossment there, so that's cute. Again, I like the rainbow zippers. Wow, very nice. They also have a Pride fan, which was not on display. How do you open her? Here we go. Cute. This is no price, so maybe it's on the sheet. I don't remember. Wow, it comes with like a little clip too. That's convenient. Here's our Mickey Pride cup. It's pretty cute. Oh, there's his butt and a Pride little emblem on the side. And she is $28. Now here they have a bunch of events, a bunch of prints that you can get. So there's Gaston, Mulan, Maleficent, or like I said, showed you over there, you can get custom ones. They also have a Pride blanket. Oh, okay, so it's reversible. It's that like fleece material. Okay, but it's a nice fleece because it's not like on top of the fleece. Like the actual fleece is dyed. Love that. All right, so there's the design. It's reversible. One side's Pride. One side is all that fun print. I don't see a price on these either. Oh, $70. It's so expensive for a blanket. Here's our ornament. Very cute. It's a double-sided ornament. This is $23. Here's our sweater. The sweater's pretty comfortable. It's pretty soft. They also have all the sizes of the sweater, so that's nice. Price is $50 for the sweater. And then you also have the magnet here. This die-cut magnet, which is cute. $15 for that. Okay, and here is the pin with a little dangly Pride Night emblem. This is cute. Oh, it has the Pride in the thing too. Okay. All right, one thing a cast member just pointed out to us with the pin is that it's like the one thing that doesn't have the date on it. So, bye, thanks. So it just depends, excuse me, sorry. So it just depends if you like the date. Like Peter likes that the date's not on there. I wish the date were on there because it's on everything else with that design. So I have a feeling that they're going to try to reuse that design or sell those pins next year if they don't sell a lot of them this year. So we are in whatever this store is, the Star Wars store by Space Mountain. And we have some more Pride merch. So they have these in the thing. So there's your ears, your blanket, and your belt bag. But here's one that they don't have. It's not Pride Night exclusive, so it's just out here. But it's the Mickey hand heart sweater. It's that same material. It's a little bit thinner than the actual Pride Night one. And this one is $60. It has Disneyland in the rainbow on the sleeve, which is kind of cute. The back is empty. Here is the ears. Hi. The ears are $35. I'm pretty sure it's at $35. Wow, I need to not come here so much. Here's the red rainbow jersey, which they have had for a very long time. Except now it is, what did you say, Peter? $80? $79.99. That's crazy. Wowza. Let's see if there's anything else. I don't think so. Honestly, I think this might be all the merch. Nope, there's a cup. Here's honestly, it's kind of cute. Oh, it's a little embroidered hat. Cute. This is kind of cute. I don't hate that. Here's our Pride shirt. $35. Have a little Disneyland on the back. This is really cute. And then here's this Pride tumbler. It's like black glitter. That's cute. Oh, look also with the balloon. There's the lid. And she is $20. The actual After Dark tumbler is cuter because it's also metal, but it's the Pride Night design rather than just like the rainbow design. Here's the last piece of merch that I know of, which is the Mickey Hand Heart Pride popcorn bucket. You actually put your hands like inside, so that's fun. And then the strap has the same Pride Night design, so that's cool. And I'm pretty sure, here's the sign. She is $29.50. And it includes popcorn at time of purchase, and then that's it. You have to pay regular price for the rest of the time. But that's what they have for Pride Night, Pride in general at Disneyland Resort. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye!